Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel Excel Learn and Apply. In today's video, we are going to learn one of the most powerful and widely used functions in Microsoft Excel, that is if function. Before we jump into Excel, let's first understand what the if function is, how it works, and the syntax behind it. Once you understand the basics, you will find it much easier to apply it in real world scenarios. So let's get started. So the if function checks whether a condition is true or false and returns one value if the condition is true and another value if the condition is false. So let's understand in syntax. So there are three segments in syntax. First one is a logical test, second one is a value if true, and third one is a value if false. So in first logical test, the logical test Excel checks the condition and evaluates the logical expression, and the logical expressions can be greater than, less than, equal to, greater than or equal to, less than or equal to, or is not equal to. In second segment, value if true, this is the result that Excel returns when the logical test is true. And in third, value if false, this is the result that Excel returns when the logical test is false. So let's demonstrate this in Excel with a real world example. Welcome back once again. So in this example, I have made a list of students with the marks they have obtained, and in result column we are going to check whether the individual is passed or not. The minimum passing score is 50. So with the help of this if function, let's check whether individual student is passed or fail. So how to apply? Just press equal to if the logical test is, so this marks obtained, this is greater than or equal to 50. So this is our logical test, comma. So what you want if the value is true? I want it is pass, and value if false, it should be fail. Press enter. You can see over here the Amit has obtained the 75 marks, so it is more than 50, so the result is pass. Just copy it and apply it to everyone. You can see over here the Priya has obtained 42 marks and she is fail because the minimum passing marks is 50. Similarly, Neha also obtained 35, it is fail, and others are pass because they have obtained more than or equal to 50. Let's check in another example. So in this example, we are going to check the bonus eligibility. So here I have made a list of employees and the sales they have achieved in a particular year. So we are going to check the bonus eligibility with the help of if function, and the criteria here is that the employee should achieve minimum 1 lakh of sales. So we are going to check with the if function equal to if bracket logical test if this is greater than or equal to 1 lakh, comma, eligible, comma, not eligible. Copy and paste it to everywhere. So you can see wherever there is a cells greater than or equal to, those are eligible, and wherever there is a cell less than equal to, they are not eligible. So this is how we can apply the if formula. So in third example, we are going to check the text comparison. In example 1 and example 2, we apply this if formula only for the numbers, just for the comparison. But in third example, we are going to compare the text. So in this example, I have made a list of students and their fee status. The fee status is paid and pending, and in result we want, if the student fee status is paid, then it is completed, and if it is pending, then we are going to apply over there not completed. Okay, so how we can apply the formula? Equal to, if the logical test is, select this value, this equal to paid, then we want the value, if true, is that completed, and if the value is false, then we want result as not completed. See, the result is completed because the fee status is paid. Just copy it and paste everywhere. You can see wherever there is a pending, the result is not completed. So this is how you can apply the if function in your day-to-day as per your requirement or in your day-to-day work. Remember one thing is that whenever you apply a text, that should be in double inverted comma or double quoted comma. So just remember this. It will be very easy to apply it in your as per your requirement. I hope you like this video. Please subscribe to my channel and please share it to everyone. Please take care. We will see in next video. Take care. Bye.